Ibises are fascinating birds. They are known for their long legs and curved bills. These features make them well suited to their watery habitats. Ibises are found all over the world. They inhabit wetlands, marshes, and swamps. Ibises are wading birds. This means they spend much of their time walking in shallow water. Their long legs help them to wade through the water. They use their long toes for balance. Ibises are also strong flyers. They often fly long distances in search of food. Ibises belong to the family Thresciornithidae. This family also includes spoonbills. There are about 30 species of ibises. They come in a variety of sizes and colors. Some of the most well-known species include the sacred ibis, the scarlet ibis, and the glossy ibis. Ibises are an important part of their ecosystems. They help to control populations of insects and other small animals. They are also a source of food for some predators. One of the most distinctive features of the ibis is its long, curved bill. This unique feature is not just for show. It plays a crucial role in the bird's survival and feeding habits. The ibis's bill is a marvel of natural engineering, perfectly adapted to its environment and lifestyle. The long, curved bill of the ibis is designed to help it forage in shallow waters and muddy environments. This specialized bill allows the ibis to reach into crevices and under rocks where other birds might not be able to go. This bill is perfectly adapted for finding food in wet environments. The ibis uses its bill to probe into mud, sand, and shallow water, searching for a variety of creatures that make up its diet. The ibis's bill is not just a simple tool, it is a highly sensitive instrument. It is covered in tiny sensory pits that allow the bird to detect the slightest movements and vibrations in the water and mud. These sensory pits are crucial for the ibis's hunting strategy. When the ibis detects something moving, it uses its bill to grab and extract it from its hiding place. This method is highly effective for catching a variety of prey. The ibis's bill is very sensitive. It is covered in tiny sensory pits that allow the bird to feel the vibrations of its prey. This sensitivity is key to the ibis's ability to hunt effectively in its wetland habitat. These pits allow the ibis to feel the vibrations of its prey. When the ibis detects something, it uses its bill to grab and extract it. The shape of the bill helps to trap the prey, making it difficult for the prey to escape. The ibis's diet consists mainly of invertebrates. These include insects, worms, crustaceans, and mollusks. The ibis may also eat small fish, amphibians, and reptiles. This diverse diet helps the ibis to thrive in a variety of wetland environments. The ibis's feeding habits are beneficial to the environment. By keeping populations of these animals in check, the ibis helps to maintain a balanced ecosystem. This is especially important in wetland areas, where the health of the ecosystem can be fragile. The shape of the bill helps to trap the prey. The ibis's bill is a remarkable example of adaptation. It is a testament to the power of natural selection. Over time, the ibis's bill has evolved to become a highly specialized tool that allows the bird to thrive in its environment. The ibis's diet consists mainly of invertebrates. These include insects, worms, crustaceans, and mollusks. The ibis may also eat small fish, amphibians, and reptiles. This diverse diet helps the ibis to thrive in a variety of wetland environments. These include insects, worms, crustaceans, and mollusks. The ibis may also eat small fish, amphibians, and reptiles. The ibis's feeding habits are beneficial to the environment. By keeping populations of these animals in check, the ibis helps to maintain a balanced ecosystem. The ibis may also eat small fish, amphibians, and reptiles. The ibis's feeding habits are beneficial to the environment. By keeping populations of these animals in check, the ibis helps to maintain a balanced ecosystem. The ibis's feeding habits are beneficial to the environment. They help to keep populations of these animals in check. The ibis's bill is a remarkable example of adaptation. It is a testament to the power of natural selection. They help to keep populations of these animals in check. The ibis's bill is a remarkable example of adaptation. It is a testament to the power of natural selection. The ibis's bill allows it to thrive in a challenging environment. The ibis's bill is a remarkable example of adaptation. It is a testament to the power of natural selection. The ibis's bill allows it to thrive in a challenging environment. It is a key to the ibis's survival. It is a testament to the power of natural selection. The ibis's bill allows it to thrive in a challenging environment. It is a key to the ibis's survival. The ibis's bill is a remarkable example of adaptation. The ibis's bill allows it to thrive in a challenging environment. It is a key to the ibis's survival. The ibis's bill is a remarkable example of adaptation. It is a testament to the power of natural selection. It is a key to the ibis's survival. The ibis's bill is a remarkable example of adaptation. It is a testament to the power of natural selection. The ibis's bill allows it to thrive in a challenging environment. It is a key to the ibis's survival. Ibises are social birds. They are rarely seen alone and prefer the company of their own kind. This social nature is evident in their daily activities and interactions. They often gather in large flocks, which can be a spectacular sight. These gatherings are not just for show, they serve several important purposes for the birds. These flocks can number in the hundreds or even thousands. The sheer size of these groups can be overwhelming, but it provides safety in numbers and helps them to coordinate their activities. Ibises are particularly social during the breeding season. This is when their social bonds are most evident as they engage in various courtship and nesting behaviors. They form large colonies for nesting. These colonies can be found in a variety of habitats, from wetlands to forests and even in urban areas. Ibises build their nests in trees, bushes, or on the ground. The choice of nesting site depends on the species and the availability of suitable locations. The nests are usually made of sticks, twigs, and other vegetation. These materials are carefully selected and arranged to provide a safe and stable environment for their eggs. Female ibises lay 2 to 5 eggs. The number of eggs can vary depending on the species and environmental conditions. Both parents share in the incubation of the eggs and the care of the young. This cooperative behavior ensures that the chicks have the best chance of survival. Living in flocks provides ibises with several advantages. One of the most important is the ability to find food more efficiently. It helps them to find food more efficiently. When many birds are searching together, they can cover a larger area and locate food sources more quickly. Many eyes are better than 2 when searching for prey. This collective effort increases their chances of finding enough food to sustain the flock. Flocks also offer protection from predators. By staying together, ibises can watch out for each other and alert the group to any potential threats. A group of ibises is more likely to spot a predator than a single bird. This early warning system allows them to take evasive action and avoid danger. Ibises communicate with each other using a variety of vocalizations. These sounds are an essential part of their social interactions. These include grunts, croaks, and whistles. Each type of call has a specific meaning and helps to convey important information to the flock. These sounds help to keep the flock together. They ensure that the birds remain in contact with each other. Even in dense vegetation or over long distances, they also warn of danger. When one bird senses a threat, it can quickly alert the others, allowing the entire flock to respond. The social behavior of ibises is an important part of their survival strategy. By living and working together, they increase their chances of thriving in their environment. Section 4. Feathers of Distinction. The ibis's colorful palette. Ibises are a visually striking group of birds. They exhibit a variety of colors and patterns. The coloration of an ibis can vary depending on the species, sex, and age of the bird. Some ibises are brightly colored while others are more subdued. One of the most colorful ibis species is the scarlet ibis. As its name suggests, this bird has bright scarlet plumage. The scarlet ibis gets its color from the pigments in its food. These pigments are called carotenoids. Another striking ibis is the Australian white ibis. This bird has mostly white plumage. It has a black head and neck. The Australian white ibis also has a distinctive black band on its tail. The coloration of ibises serves several purposes. In some species, the bright colors of the males help them to attract mates. In other species, the coloration of the ibises helps them to camouflage themselves in their surroundings. Section 5. The Sacred Ibis of Ancient Egypt, a divine messenger. Ibises have captivated humans for centuries. These elegant birds, with their long legs and distinctive curved bills, have been a source of fascination and inspiration across various cultures and epochs. Their graceful movements and unique appearance have made them subjects of art, mythology, and religious symbolism. They have even played significant roles in certain cultures. From the wetlands of Africa to the temples of ancient Egypt, the ibis has left an indelible mark on human history. Their presence in different regions has led to a variety of interpretations and meanings, each culture adding its own layer of significance to this remarkable bird. In ancient Egypt, the sacred ibis, Threscionis aethiopicus, held a special place of reverence. This bird was not just admired for its beauty, but was deeply integrated into the spiritual and daily lives of the Egyptians. The sacred ibis was often seen as a bridge between the earthly and the divine, a messenger of the gods. The Egyptians associated this bird with Thoth, the god of wisdom, writing, and magic. Thoth was a deity of immense importance, credited with the invention of writing and the maintenance of the universe's balance. The ibis, with its keen intellect and graceful demeanor, was a fitting symbol for such a powerful god. Thoth was often depicted with the head of an ibis. This imagery was not just artistic, but carried deep symbolic meaning. The ibis's head, with its distinctive shape, was seen as embodying the qualities of Thoth: intelligence, precision, and a connection to the divine. The Egyptians believed that the ibis's curved bill symbolized the crescent moon. This connection to the lunar cycle further enhanced the bird's mystical attributes. The moon, with its phases and influence over the tides, was a powerful symbol of life's rhythms and the passage of time. This further connected the bird to the cycles of life and the afterlife. The ibis, with its lunar associations, was seen as a guide for souls navigating the journey from life to death and beyond. Its presence in funerary art and tombs underscored its role as a protector and guide in the afterlife. The sacred ibis was also believed to be a protector of crops and a symbol of fertility. In a land where agriculture was the lifeblood of civilization, the ibis's role as a guardian of the fields was crucial. Its presence was thought to ensure bountiful harvests and the prosperity of the land. The sacred ibis was mummified in vast numbers. This practice was not merely a ritual, but a testament to the bird's revered status. Mummification preserved the ibis for eternity, allowing it to continue its sacred duties in the afterlife. These mummies were offered as votive offerings to Thoth. Pilgrims and worshippers would present mummified ibises at temples and shrines, seeking the god's favor and wisdom. This act of devotion highlighted the deep spiritual connection between the people and the ibis. This practice reflects the deep spiritual significance of the ibis in ancient Egyptian society. The bird was more than a mere creature. It was a living symbol of divine power and wisdom, a bridge between the human and the divine. The ibis was more than just a bird. It was a symbol of divine power and wisdom. Its presence in art, mythology, and religious practices underscored its importance in the spiritual and cultural life of ancient Egypt. It was a symbol of divine power and wisdom. The ibis's image was a constant reminder of the god's presence and the mysteries of the universe. Its graceful form and serene demeanor made it a perfect representation of the divine. Today, the sacred ibis continues to be a fascinating species. Its legacy lives on not just in the annals of history, but in the natural world. Modern-day sightings of the ibis remind us of its enduring beauty and the rich cultural heritage it represents. It serves as a reminder of the rich cultural history of these remarkable birds. The stories and symbols associated with the ibis continue to inspire and captivate us, bridging the gap between the ancient and the modern. Their story intertwines with human civilization. The sacred ibis, with its divine associations and cultural significance, remains a testament to the enduring bond between humans and the natural world. Its legacy is a reminder of the profound connections that shape our history and our understanding of the world around us.